10th of September 2024, US Highway 129. We're heading to Atlanta Speedometer over in Swanee, Sugar Hill, Georgia. We're taking the instrument cluster from the van over and letting them redo it, fix it, whatever it needs, change the lights in it and everything. And so we'll do a little driving tour over there. That guy with that boat up top, I guess he's done that for a long time, knows what he's doing, so I'm not going to particularly criticize him, but the straps, the two lockdown straps, I say ratchet downs, I would want two on the front, two on the back. I'd want to dog that thing down a lot better than what it appears that it's dogged down. He may have it secured better than what it looks like to me, but we're not going to get that close to him anyway. How are we going to go? I guess we'll go 85. Let y'all see the new construction. So we'll go ahead and turn this off until we get to 85. I think it's going to about mid-80s today, low 60s. It probably started off in the high 50s last night. It is 9:30. And it's sort of a test drive for the Jeep as well. We got the plugs in yesterday and the motor button distributor cap in day 4. And it's running good, so we'll see how it turns out. Hopefully we won't have to tow it again today. Okay, coming up the hill to 85, we'll let you see how the traffic is up here. I don't anticipate it being bad right now. We're going to go ahead and get over in that left lane. Gas 286. I think I saw it 270 something yesterday. Of course, the election's coming, so there was no doubt that the gas was coming down. Okay, big guy, come on over. Now there is a great flea market right down there at the bottom of the hill as you're going back up. I mean, it has got everything, and I do have a video of it. But it has got everything. Pool tables, people play, shoot pool, hair salons, eateries. Clothes, it's got everything. I can't tell you everything it's got. It's just got everything. And it's entertaining. It's very entertaining to walk through and see all the stuff. If you can walk through that place and not buy anything, more power to you, because it is a novelty. Whoever the state of Georgia has and inspects bridges, they need to inspect this one. This one is sitting here just bouncing. Let's get off of this bridge. I know they're supposed to float. They've got these little joints and stuff in them, but that thing sure did seem like it was bouncing a lot. Okay, coming down the ramp to I-85 South. I don't know that this ramp is long enough yet, but I think they did extend it. This instrument cluster back and everything's going okay on the van, we may take off this weekend to South Georgia. It's been raining down there. Weather hadn't been good and hot. But I've got the itches to get back down there. I've got to have my eyes done. Start the first one the 30th of September. I've got a cat sit. My daughter's cat, 22nd through the 28th. So I don't have much time to get down there. And I am thinking about heading south, heading to Florida for the winter, maybe Port St. Joe, Panama City. If anybody has any contacts down there that might want to rent a room out to somebody, I don't need to pay over $500 a month. That's going to be hard to do if I can do it at all. But I'd like to find a part-time job down there. Maybe go to work at a roofing company, construction company, Piggly Wiggly, Publix, something to work through the winter, get video down there. So if anybody's got any connections down there, if you got a room, you got a job, give me a holler. Okay, let's turn this off and we will pick it back up when we get off. I'm not sure if we're going to get off at 53 or 211. All the construction at 211 I'd like to show you, but I don't want to get caught in the traffic going up trying to turn left. We'll figure that out then. Okay, coming up on exit 129, 50 Georgia Highway 53. To the left will take you back over to Winder. To the right will take you over to Gainesville, Oakwood, then go all the way across those little North Georgia towns and end up over in Alabama, cutting through Rome and over into Alabama. We're going to wait and get off at 211. And of course, if you go left, you go through Winder, you go over to Watkinsville and end in Watkinsville. 53 makes a long arc across the top end of Georgia. Brazelton, Houston, never how you pronounce it. And this area is growing like crazy. Huge subdivisions, apartments. Can y'all say gridlock? Coming out of my son's subdivision on 211, you can't hardly get out now. Let you see this construction at Chateau Elan and stuff here, and then we'll go up and turn left. Is it Thompson Mill? I'm not sure what road it is up here. We'll turn left, cut over to Buford Highway, then go down to Sugar Hill. But we'll turn it off when we get to the left turn, and go ahead and put this one together and start uploading it. We're using the S22 Ultra right now today, recording at 1920 by 1080 full HD. We got a nut coming up behind us, going to come around on the left here right now. He just passed 2 or 3 on the right and then just came around and then looped back around to us. Nut bob, nut bag, nut job. 211 go to Monroe too? Where does 211 end up? To the right, I think 211 ends up in Palmo. And see, they're redoing all of this stuff here. Yeah, see, and this is, well, I don't know, we'll see. This looks like traffic getting on 85. But a lot of times this is backed up from the bridge all the way to where we're going to turn left up there. And they're making these crazy roundabouts everywhere. I guess they know what they're doing. I don't know if they do or not. Chateau Elan right there on the left. We have video of Chateau Elan driving in and just looping around there. So we won't do that. We got double roundabouts right here. And then that road there, that's a new road with new development. I don't know what's going to be down there. Probably those large warehouses. Publix down there to the right. I don't think we're going to come back through this way. It's liable to be backed up. Excuse me. For some reason, these sneezes have gotten where they come on fast, and I can't do anything about them. All that development over there to the right. I mean, they're bam, they're there. On down here when they get this up here finished up or not. They need to, because like I said, it'll get backed up all the way, and then going the other way too, trying to go towards 85. Duncan Creek, that'll go into the Mulberry River right down there to the right. And see, it's backed up to this red light right here. We're going to go up to the next red light and turn left. I don't know if it was recording or not while a minute ago coming down through there. This will take you back over to Brazelton. Cross over 85, it's got its own little bridge. Of course, you can go down there and bear off. Yeah, we're not coming back this way, folks. And this is why I didn't want to come this way to start with. But we're showing you all this traffic. We could have gone on down to 85 and gotten off at 20, or gotten off at whatever that other road is before you get to 20. But I wanted to show you this part right here, and I don't want to go by Georgia Square Mall, or Georgia, whatever that mall is over there. That's always full of traffic over there. We just as well turn this off and go ahead and start putting it together, because this is all we're going to get till we turn left. Entering Gwinnett County. lied to you. It's not the next light. It's the light after this one. Thompson Mill. They got that where it goes all the way through now. They had that blocked for a while, I think. You couldn't go all the way through there. We're going to turn at this one here. What is this one? Now we're entering Hall County. Okay, let's go ahead and turn this off. We're going to start putting it together.